Trying to get a thumbnail picture. Okay, let's see. Does this one taste good? Also, oh my god, I need that. I wonder would they do that if I ask them to no ends on my bread. I hate that. Let's go. That is so good. Oh my god. Y'all just looking at myself on camera. I am huge. But anyway, y'all. So I just came on here just to show y'all my new robe that I got. You know, of course, it had to be pink. I got a white one just like this. So, I'm thinking that I want to, I don't know, because I like this. I got it to, oh, the camera is not picking it. Yeah, look at that, baby. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm glad I did get a get this size, y'all. Look at this. But it's that real pretty pink. The camera is probably not picking it up on it's not picking it up. But y'all, this is so pretty. I got it to wear. You know, because I want a pink one. But yeah, I just thought about this. I might can save this and wear it for when I go into labor at the hospital. I might can do that. But then I also have some other ones that's in my cart. Because I have like a real hospital gown. I might not order that one. I am going to order some other gowns. You know, after I had the baby, postpartum. So, I don't know if I'm going to order the hospital gown yet. But, okay.
I got so much drinking me, wonder if you missing me. These days I can't fucking sleep, cause damn, I'm out here living dreams. If I send this text of mine, shawty, is you down to slide? Don't say not tonight, cause you be busy, tell another lie. I done seen this thousands of times, I retype like thousands of lines. We done did this thousands of times, so I ain't tryna choose another time. Shawty, tell me now if you be. These days I can't fucking sleep, cause damn, I'm out here living dreams. If I send this text of mine, shawty, is you down to slide? Don't say not tonight, cause you be busy, tell another lie. I done seen this thousands of times, I retype like thousands of lines. We done did this thousands of times, so I ain't tryna choose another time. Shawty, tell me now if you.
Ain't no virtue with you. I don't waste plenty time pacing around, hate this cool. You with bitches on the side and let my mind wander too. You relentless nigga, I don't need brand nigga. Text me like I'm waiting for you to come lie to me. On my days and just hurt.
see that we falling off lately. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting it. In your heart, you keep trying. The truth is not hiding. That's just the way we are. But can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just hold me back. But I love when we make up like that.
Okay, y'all, so I seen they got the boppy. It look like it's a little small, for $14.99. I'm gonna go ahead and get this one. I'm gonna compare it to the one I have at home. I knew it was something else I just saw. $12.99, y'all. Let me get one of these too. Maybe need to get two of these.
Mom, look.
What is that? No, she don't need that right now, baby.
No, it is mine. Mom,
These are, yeah, the
mine is
plain
mine. Mine
one.
is
It's
mine.
not for you.
Yes, it is. Eat my food.
You eat your food?
Yeah.
Okay.
Eat my this one now. Ooh, that a baby passed by. What I said, that is.
How much is this? I don't see that. Am I missing the price? Oh, $30. Oh, they got this. Yeah, I just use regular soap, but this is $4.99. So I might go ahead and get it just to try it out to see is it different. I'm gonna get it. Okay, guys. So what I did is done got everything out of my girls' room. So everything is out except of the stuff in the closet. So what I'm about to do is paint. Well, I'm not about to paint. My dad is about to paint the room because look, my daughter wanna show her creativity on the walls and stuff. So I'm about to paint these so I can redecorate the girls' room and get it ready for when the baby arrives.
No winner. Need the whole winner?
Okay.
Is that the big one?
You put it in there?
Yeah.
Okay. This is one little bit of shelf, but if I was thinking about putting this in the closet, right?
Listen.
So hold on. So if I put it in the closet, that's how it's going to look that way. So I'm trying to see,
Wait, you said
am I going to let it stay in the closet? So hold on 1 second, y'all.
this.
Okay, so what I did is just put Lele's socks in here. I probably just keep her socks in here. I don't know yet, but I'm just showing you guys how it would look. So,
Guys,
what you want?
this is so cute.
So that's how it would look in the closet, and I think I like it. I just wasn't
Wait, guys,
expecting it to be that little.
Wait, guys. Wait.
Lele.
And the bread off.
Wait, KF? Should we
Wait.
make a bread restaurant or
What's it?
that's just no?
Oh, God.
Get back home, sure. Everything off the shelf from up there. So taking these out of here
For the longest time,
and put them in here. See, I have. This is what I have up there. I have that little what's that basket filled with little bottle warmers, some shoes, and just some other stuff. And this is her clothes. And and then that down there, yeah. So that's Lele shelf where I put her clothes in. So that one is her little shelf that I had in her clothes. And I gotta organize her bows. I'm gonna get like a little organizer and put all her bows and beads in it. So that's what's on top of there. And then on this side I have like a little I have like another little shelf. And her skates, helmet, shoulder pad, knee pad is on there for now. And this is just a bag of clothes that is too little for Lele. And this is just her clothes that I hang up so far. I had ran out of hangers. But I did go get some more from Walmart. Those are the white ones. So I'm going to hang up some more of her clothes whenever. Yeah, so if not, it just stay. Some of them in the drawer. I fold up some and just put them in the drawer when I'm wearing out of hangers, so they might stay. They might stay in them, but yeah. So that's what I did so far. Yeah, so I'm about to put this box. These boxes, like I said, these boxes is nothing but what you call them? Apple stuff. All my boxes for everything that I purchased with apples. So I'm about to put this box in my closet. Well, these boxes in my storage closet. You guys, look at her tour box. So I ordered this from Amazon. Of course, I would have it. Oh, excuse me. I'm gonna sit down. So of course of course I will leave the link below. But yeah, it's so pretty. It's the perfect pink, the perfect color. And so far I had put some of her toys in there. But I mean, it's a okay size. Her little bears. I got to put her little thing back up. Like I said, we painted. So I got to put her bear's neck back up. They might not go in there because those are big. So they might just sit right there. But, yeah. And what else? I think that's it, you guys. I need to get some pictures and everything to go in here because the walls are so plain. I don't know. I'm thinking about mounting the TV on the wall. And the dresser come in tomorrow for the baby. So hopefully the dresser is tall enough. I'm not sure. But I will show you guys tomorrow. It is 9:19. I'm about to take a shower and go to bed. So, yeah. Say bye.
Bye. Hey.